Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to turn off notifications on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your iPhone that can send notifications. Scroll through the list and find the app for which you want to turn off notifications. I'll select Instagram as an example. Tap on the app to view its notification settings. At the top, you'll see a toggle switch next to Allow Notifications. This controls whether the app can send you notifications. Tap on the toggle switch to turn it off. The switch will turn gray, indicating that notifications are now disabled for this app. Once disabled, you will no longer receive any notifications from this app. No alerts, banners, or badges will appear. You can repeat this process for any other apps where you want to turn off notifications. If you want to turn off all notifications at once, you can go back to the main settings and enable Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode. This is a great way to reduce distractions and control which apps can interrupt you, and that's it. You've successfully turned off notifications on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.